Hello and welcome again to a new episode from Spice and Easy Kitchen. We wish you always the best condition. Today's recipe is eggplant prepared in a special way. Among eggplant recipes, each time we bring you a different one. Even if we usually fry it normally, this method will please you. Here I have 2 eggplants. I will cut them like this into halves. Then I continue cutting them the same way. They will have this shape and I place them in a container. I add a little salt and leave them to release the dark liquid. This helps remove excess water before cooking, so it does not stay soggy and absorb too much oil. I leave them for about 15 to 20 minutes. After that, I wash the eggplant and rinse off the salt. Then I dry them well from the water. I divide the eggplant into 2 portions. Each portion will have a different coating. Each one will have its own seasoning and spices. For the first coating, I add a little vegetable oil, about 1 or 2 spoons. I add 1 teaspoon of paprika and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and 1 teaspoon of basil or any available herbs. Then I mix everything well. I continue mixing until combined. Then I add 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs. And mix again. For the second coating, I add 2 teaspoons of soy sauce. Then I mix the eggplant well with the sauce. I'd add here 1 teaspoon of white sesame or any sesame, just a small amount. Then I add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, not fully filled. And mix well again. Now everything is ready and I move to the frying pan. I heat a quantity of oil until it becomes hot. Then I start frying the eggplant. The eggplant is now fried. If you prefer baking, do not use cornstarch. Use breadcrumbs instead. Frying is tastier, but not always the healthiest option. Sometimes we just want to change methods. I continue frying the remaining pieces. I fry them the same way until they are cooked. The eggplant is ready. Make sure to turn them so they cook evenly. On all sides. For the sauce to serve with the eggplant, I use 1 cup of sour yogurt and some parsley. For seasoning, ½ teaspoon paprika, 1 small grated garlic clove, a little salt and black pepper. Then I mix everything. I add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice and mix to get the sauce for the eggplant. This is the final result of the eggplant. One version with sesame, soy sauce, and cornstarch, and another with spices and the yogurt sauce. It is very tasty and worth trying. Enjoy it and see you in the next video.